Have you ever wondered how crucial your liver is to your overall health? This remarkable organ is the silent powerhouse in your body, tirelessly detoxifying and purifying your system. But just like any other part of our bodies, our liver needs support. Enter the world of herbal remedies, where nature's own milk thistle stands as a sentinel of liver health. This potent herb is renowned for its ability to bolster liver function and promote detoxification. It's time to introduce a natural defender of your liver, the milk thistle. What if we told you there is a natural supplement that not only supports your liver but also provides a host of other health benefits? Yes, we're talking about milk thistle, nature's powerful liver tonic. This remarkable herb is renowned for its ability to bolster liver function and foster liver detoxification, making it an ally in your pursuit of vitality. But the benefits of milk thistle don't stop at detoxification. It's packed with antioxidants, offering protection against the damaging effects of free radicals on liver cells. Its anti-inflammatory properties may even provide relief for conditions like fatty liver disease and hepatitis. And there's more. Milk thistle can promote heart health by potentially lowering LDL cholesterol levels. It supports digestive health, aids in the management of skin conditions, and may even regulate blood sugar levels. Some research even suggests it could have anti-cancer properties. So, how does milk thistle achieve all these health benefits? Let's delve into the science behind it. The magic of milk thistle lies in its active compound, silymarin. This potent substance, found within the seeds of the plant, holds the key to milk thistle's incredible health benefits. Silymarin is a flavonoid complex with strong antioxidant properties, which means it fights off harmful free radicals and protects our cells from damage. In the context of liver health, silymarin does some serious heavy lifting. It enhances the liver's detoxification process, helping to flush out toxins and harmful substances. This action is particularly crucial in our modern world, where we're often exposed to pollutants and chemicals that can burden our liver. But there's more to silymarin than detoxification. This complex also stimulates liver cell regeneration and reduces inflammation, providing support in conditions like fatty liver disease and hepatitis. Its potential to lower LDL cholesterol levels and regulate blood sugar adds another layer to its health-boosting profile. Now that you understand the science behind milk thistle, it's time to make it part of your health routine. Adding milk thistle to your daily routine is easier than you think. Whether as a capsule, extract, or even a calming tea, this versatile herb seamlessly blends into your lifestyle. But remember, every body is unique. It's essential to consult your healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. They'll guide you towards the right dosage and form of milk thistle that best suits your health profile. Remember, your health is a lifelong journey, and milk thistle could be a powerful ally in your pursuit of vitality and well-being.